Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Let us come to our today's question. This is question number 2, exercise 2.2 from polynomials chapter. This question I am going to teach you by a very easy and simple method. The question is find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. First part is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Let us solve the first part 1 by 4 comma minus 1. In the question sum of the zeros is given as 1 upon 4 and product of the zeros as given as minus 1. Now you have to remember one very important and simple formula children in order to do this question. The formula is like this: a quadratic polynomial when the sum and product of its zeros are given by px equals to k bracket x square minus bracket sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros bracket close where k is a constant. Now what do you see in this formula? Px is the polynomial which you have to find out, k is a constant, x is the variable, sum of zeros it is given in the question, product of zeros it is also given in the question. What you have to do, these sum of zeros and product of zeros you have to simply substitute in this formula, and for that of course you will have to remember this formula. So children, learn this formula in order to do this question. With the help of this formula the question becomes very easy. So let us come to the left side. This is px as it is equals to k bracket x square minus sum of zeros, how much it is given, 1 upon 4. So simply pick from here, write on 1 upon 4 bracket close into x plus product of zeros it is also given in the question, that is minus 1. So bracket my write on minus 1, this is bracket close. Now left side px equals to right side k bracket x square minus 1 upon 4 into x, this gives you x upon 4 plus into minus gives you minus, so minus 1 bracket close. Now in this right side what do you see, in the inside the bracket there is one term which is having a denominator as 4. If I want to remove this denominator, what I will do, I will put the value of k as 4. So if I put k equals to 4, this equation will become px equals to, put k equals to 4 bracket x square minus x upon 4 minus 1. Now why I am putting k equals to 4? Just to remove the denominator from the x upon 4 term, so that all the coefficients and the constant terms they are without any denominator. So if I multiply it by 4, each and every term, when I open the bracket, each and every term will get multiplied by 4. So what do I get in the next step? This will become 4x square, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ से आप ओपन करेंगे ब्रैकेट को, 4x स्क्वायर माइनस x अपॉन 4 इंटू 4 विल गेट कैंसल, सो माइनस एक्स विल रिमेन. थर्ड टर्म में से माइनस दिस इज 1 इंटू 4 विल गिव यू -4. सो व्हाट विल बी योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? इट विल बी लाइक दिस: px equals to 4x square minus 1x minus 4. This is how you will have your right side. Now what you see, in all the three terms there is no denominator. Denominator is 1 of course. So this is your polynomial which is being asked in the question. So you will write down your final answer as 4x square minus x minus 4. This is your answer for the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means the degree is 2. Highest power of x is 2. Now in this question one thing you will notice that I have obtained one polynomial. In the question pay attention to this word means you have to find only one quadratic polynomial. So if I have to find one quadratic polynomial, I am finding a very easy type of polynomial where the terms do not have any denominators. For that I have taken k equals to 4. अगर आप k का कोई और real number values put करते हो तो you will get some other polynomial also. You can get many polynomials by putting this value of k as a real number, but in the question it was asked to find only one polynomial, so I have obtained only one polynomial by keeping k equals to 4. Right children, so this is how your first part is done. Now let us come to the second part. Second part is in this it is given root 2 comma 1 upon 3. In this again the two things which are given to you is like this: sum of zeros is root 2, product of zeros is 1 upon 3. Again the same formula which I have used in the first part. The formula is like this: a quadratic polynomial when the sum and product of its zeros are given is like this, px. Now look at this formula, again the same formula, it is px equals to k bracket x square minus bracket sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros bracket close, where k is a constant. Now sum of zeros and product of zeros we will substitute from here, which is given in the question. So next step I will write px equals to k x square minus sum of zeros, you write down root 2 into x. Next is product of zeros, it is given 1 upon 3, so I substitute 1 upon 3 bracket close. Next what I will do, simplify this expression. So px equals to, ये आपने यहाँ पर k की वैल्यू में आप देखिए ऑल जो तीनों टर्म्स है उसमें एक टर्म में डिनोमिनेटर इज 3. So what I will do, I will remove this denominator. So what can I do for that? I will keep the value of k as 3. So if I put k equals to 3 and when I will open the bracket, you will see this 3 will get cancelled. So put k equals to 3. So px equals to, k की जगह आपने 3 लिख दिया. Rest of the term x square minus root 2x plus 1 upon 3. Open the bracket में each and every term will get multiplied by 3. So right side what it will be like this, 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 3 into 1 upon 3 में 3 cancel, so you get plus 1. So what do you notice in this is a polynomial px, it is like this 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. तो इन तीनों टर्म्स में आप क्या देख रहे हैं चिल्ड्रन, द डिनोमिनेटर जो है इनका वैनिश हो गया, डिनोमिनेटर इज सिंपली 1 1 1 इन ऑल द 3 टर्म्स. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ k इक्वल्स टू 3. आप इसमें और पॉलिनोमियल्स भी निकाल सकते हो बाय पुटिंग सम अदर वैल्यू ऑफ k. इन दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम पुटिंग इट एज 3 जस्ट टू गेट all the 3 terms without any denominator. Without any denominator means of course the denominator is 1 in all the 3 terms. So what will be your final answer? The quadratic polynomial is like this, 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So this is your final answer, quadratic polynomial degree 2. I hope children it is clear to you. Bye bye.